Hi guys, welcome to the Cloud Kitchen WhatsApp challenge. Congratulations to you that you've at least shown the interest of joining this particular program. In this particular session and this video, I will be sharing कि क्या है ये Cloud Kitchen WhatsApp challenge. What is it that we are doing? I will try to keep the mode of communication between a mix of Hindi and English, just so that सबको समझ में आए हम क्या बोल रहे हैं, and it can gel with everyone. But if you have any other queries, feel free to reach out to my colleague Manish, and he'll be more than happy to help you out. Like I said, thank you so much for even considering to join the Cloud Kitchen WhatsApp challenge. And what we'll be doing now is that we'll be sharing with you what is it that we are doing इस challenge में. कई लोग हमसे पूछ रहे हैं, कई लोग question थे, even though we mentioned all of that in the landing page, but just so that I am able to answer your queries, I'm sharing this short video just so that you understand what we're trying to do. So the first thing is that in the Cloud Kitchen WhatsApp challenge, it's a 5-day challenge wherein which we are sharing with you how you can start your cloud kitchen business in less than 30 days, that too without any prior background in the hospitality industry. I'll be walking you through as to what is it that we exactly doing. So in the 5-day cloud kitchen challenge, we have a step-by-step agenda as to how we want you to understand this business in actuality. So what are we doing? क्या कर रहे हैं हम in actuality? So पहली चीज Cloud Kitchen Challenge का सबसे पहला दिन, which is on Monday. This is happening from the the 26th till the 30th of October. One of its kind program. Nothing like this has ever happened in the country, and I can assure you that the kind of knowledge we're trying to impart is something which will blow you apart, because the kind of money we're charging for it and the kind of effort which is going in, I know that this will be of great value to you irrespective. So hope this benefits you. Like I said, in the first day of the Cloud Kitchen challenge, what we are doing is the first most important thing, which is to win the mindset. How do you become a foodpreneur authority? A lot of people ask me, क्या है ये foodpreneur authority? And I tell them that foodpreneur authority is building a credibility for yourself, building a brand for yourself, building a brand for your business in actuality. All these things are interrelated. Nowadays, the times have gone that people only used to associate a particular brand with that brand. Nowadays, you have to understand that there's that dual silver lining between the founder and his business, and that is absolutely important. And that's something I really want you to know when you're starting your cloud kitchen business. So the day one, we try to win the mindset. We share how you can win the mind and actually add value to your particular business by thinking big. I don't want you to think small. So first day is about mindset. Second day, we cover breaking the myths of of what do you think about cloud kitchen business? What is the industry landscape like? कई लोग मेरे से अभी भी मतलब I was rather surprised कि कई लोग who were speaking to my colleagues, uh, my colleagues told me that a lot of people didn't even know what cloud kitchen is, which is uh, slightly difficult for me to digest. But like I said, all the myths and this gave me a big question mark that काम शुरू करने से पहले उस इंडस्ट्री की नॉलेज होना बहुत जरूरी है. In today's time, if you think about starting a fine dining restaurant, it's the biggest disaster what you can do. But in today's time, opening a cloud kitchen without even knowing the concept of cloud kitchen is a, a bigger disaster, because you are always confused कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं. Am I a restaurant? Am I a delivery kitchen? Am I a QSR, which is a quick service restaurant? Or what am I doing exactly, right? So day two, we cover all aspects about the cloud kitchen business. इंडस्ट्री का लैंडस्केप क्या है, क्या ग्रोथ प्रोस्पेक्ट्स हैं, ये बिजनेस कैसे किया जाता है, इसकी थॉट प्रोसेस क्या है. इसमें आई विल बी शेयरिंग अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट केस स्टडी ऑफ सम ऑफ वन ऑफ द numero uno of the cloud kitchen business, and I'll share with you as to how they made it big. What is the difference in terms of how they did their business and how you can do your business. So like I said, day two is critical, absolutely critical. Then comes in is day three, where in which we share the 6 myths and we share the 6 mistakes cloud kitchen owners make. And you speak to any cloud kitchen owner, he'll say the same thing. This is a very important day. Why? Because you understand the 6 key parameters जिसकी वजह से 90% of the cloud kitchen owners are not being able to even achieve around 5 lakh rupees sales, which is a basic benchmark to surviving in the cloud kitchen business. While I absolutely understand कि उसमें रेंट नहीं पड़ता, उसमें आपके ओवरहेड्स आपको लगता है कम रहेंगे बिकॉज एक प्रॉपर फर्नीचर इंटीरियर का खर्चा नहीं है. बट लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, व्हेन यू डोंट हैव अ फेस इन द मार्केट, इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट कि लोगों को पता चले आपके बारे में. सो वो क्या क्या एलिमेंट्स हैं, वो क्या 6 मिस्टेक्स हैं जिसकी वजह से a lot of cloud kitchen owners face failure in their journey. And here I put in two exciting giveaways for you. One is that I shared my budget template with you as to how do I do budgeting for any cloud kitchen investment which we are doing. It does not matter, guys. I'm not talking, when I talk about investments, I'm not talking about putting in lakhs and crores of money. That's not the kind of business this is. This is a volume business. एंड ये सब की सब बातें मैं आपसे बात करूंगा जब मैं आपके साथ सेशन में आपसे मिलूंगा एंड वी विल डू दैट Q&A सेशन. बट व्हाट इज इंपॉर्टेंट इज इसमें हम छह कॉजेस शेयर करते हैं फेलियर्स के, एंड देन वी शेयर अ बजट टेम्पलेट विद यू, हाउ डू वी डू बजटिंग. एंड थर्ड, आई आल्सो शेयर विद यू what are the key compliances you need to start your cloud kitchen business. Then comes the fourth, where in which how do you build your niche in your cloud kitchen business. अब क्या होता है ये नीश, काफी लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं इस बात से, लेकिन नीश इज समथिंग आई कैन से फ्रॉम अ वेरी सिंपल कोट, जिसे कहते हैं कि आप सब कुछ नहीं हो सकते सबके लिए. यू कांट बी एवरीथिंग फॉर एवरीवन. आपको कहीं ना कहीं अपनी मार्केट आइडेंटिफाई करनी पड़ती है, उसको डिस्टिंग्विश करना पड़ता है, और डिफाइन करने के बाद ही अपनी अप्रोच चलानी चाहिए. And that is what we're trying to do in this particular session. And like I said, this will give you a lot of clarity. Believe me, this will give you a lot of clarity about what is the kind of niche you want to enter. And second, one of the most mind-boggling things you'll learn about this day 4 is about what is the business model which is best suited for you. And I will call a spade a spade. I will not say कि यार आप ये भी कर लो, आप वो भी कर लो, आप ऐसे भी कर लो. I will share with you taking a couple of case studies ki what is it that they've done to actually build a mark for themselves. So it's very important that day 4, where in which you understand your niche and you understand the business model you want to focus on. If you get these two things right, like I said, that paisa vasool aspect, which a lot of people were asking me, through my DMs on the Instagram, that sir, I'm still trying to figure out it, will it be worth? And I was just telling them that, it's not about the money aspect, we are charging nominal money, but what we are looking at is we're really trying to impact a lot of people and help them add value in their particular business. So yeah, that's pretty much about it. And last day we do a masterclass connecting all the dots to tell you that how you can start your cloud kitchen business in less than 30 days. So like I said, in all these five days, I will try to give you absolute clarity into what is it that will work the best for your particular business. If you still have any queries, I'm more than happy to answer them. Like I said, it will be a privilege and an honor to impact and add value to you in any way I can. So like I said, I hope you have good clarity about this. What do you get? First, we share a Cloud Kitchen Secrets book with you, which is available on Amazon Kindle. You can just go and check it online, where in which we cover all foundational level queries about what a lot of cloud kitchen owners keep asking me, budding cloud kitchen owners keep asking me, and we've just put in all the FAQs there for you to know. A lot of people are finding a lot of value because people who joined it, they really love the ebook, and that's the first thing you get. Second, we share a lot of templates with you pertaining to budget, your niche clarity, concept clarity, and so on and so forth. And like I said, the supporting templates are not just to make you confused. मैं उस स्कूल ऑफ थॉट से आता हूँ जहाँ मैं आई बिलीव दैट जितने मेरे मेंटर्स थे, एवरीवन हैज गिवन मी स्पून फीडिंग टेम्पलेट्स. कि कई बार आपके लिए खुद टेम्पलेट बनाना मुश्किल रहेगा, तो तभी मैंने आपके लिए एक्सेल्स बनाई है पर्टेनिंग टू प्रोजेक्शन शीट्स, योर स्टार्टअप कॉस्ट हेड्स. उसके बाद क्या आपकी कॉन्सेप्ट में नीश क्लैरिटी होनी चाहिए, so that you don't face a concern when you're doing that activity heads on. So I hope you get good clarity with respect to that. Then most importantly, किसके लिए है, जो काफी लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाते हैं कि किसके लिए है ये. सबसे पहली चीज, दिस इज फॉर एनी बडिंग एंटरप्रेन्योर इन द F&B स्पेस. कोई भी बंदा या any male or female, I mean, a budding entrepreneur who wants to start a cloud kitchen business, ये उनके लिए बहुत suitable है. Even if you're trying to start any other food business, this is a niche which is called the cloud kitchen niche. You should definitely explore. I would recommend that to anyone and everyone I meet, because that's the only way you have to do you can do business right now. In fact, the future belongs to hybrid models. कि आप कोई एक मॉडल पे डिपेंड नहीं कर सकते, आपको दो तीन मॉडल बनाने पड़ेंगे अपने बिजनेस में, जो मैं और बताऊंगा व्हाट्सएप चैलेंज के बीच में. Second, this is for home chefs and home bakers. I have a lot of people as part of my home chefs and home bakers community, and I can't tell you how much they benefit more specifically, because they are the ones who are most passionate about their particular business, but they don't understand the business side of things. दिक्कत कहाँ आती है कि सब अच्छा खाना बनाते हैं, बट सबको पता नहीं है कि वो बिजनेस को एक्चुअल में शेप कैसे करते हैं, उसको फनल कैसे करते हैं. And that is what we share with you. Are you a restaurant owner? You're a catering company owner? You are a cafe operator? Like I said, you'll get a lot of clarity about this particular business. And lastly, if you're a cloud kitchen owner, you'll get a very different perspective to the kind of business you're doing right now. So, like I said, anyone, even if you're remotely interested with respect to the food business, you will find value. If you are not, I will, I will caution you that please, this is not for you. Please don't get into this. This is not about FMCG, about other food businesses. This is purely about the food service industry, specifically focused around cloud kitchens. कि क्या होता है cloud kitchen, कैसे वो business बनता है. So it is only for those people. So just keep caution for this. And if you have any other queries, you can reach out to us. Results, like I said, gyan, sirf gyan without any results is absolutely, I would say, futile. And my only objective is that we want to give you so much value that you genuinely see a benefit in starting this business. Like I said, I'll share my mission with you, but सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात यह है कि आपको वैल्यू मिले इस पूरे ऑब्जेक्टिव से. एंड दैट्स व्हाई वी हैव सम 5 tangible results what you will get from joining this cloud kitchen challenge. First, you find your micro niche and your suitable business model. क्या business model आपके लिए सबसे ज्यादा suitable है. Second, cloud kitchen landscape क्या है आज के डेट में, business का क्या future है. Is this just another trend? Like a lot of people tell me bars and clubs are typically like a trend driven business. Yes, absolutely. But is this business similar in that sense? क्या फ्यूचर प्रोजेक्शन क्या है इसके, अगले 5 साल की क्या क्या प्रोजेक्शन है, या मैं कह रहा हूँ 5 साल की भी नहीं सोचते, अगले 3 साल में क्या ग्रोथ पॉसिबिलिटी है, क्या इसका फ्यूचर में क्या इसकी वायबिलिटी या क्या पिवट ले सकते हैं इससे. All those elements we'll be discussing. There are eras, so there was earlier the restaurant era, then there was a quick service restaurant era, then there was a cloud kitchen era, and now is a smart cloud kitchen era. तो काफी सारे एलिमेंट्स आते हैं. फिर आता है आपकी बजटिंग ऑफ क्लाउड किचन, कैसे बजटिंग करते हैं आप, देन लीगल कंप्लायंसेस टू स्टार्ट योर क्लाउड किचन, एक्सेस टू क्रेडिबल फूडप्रेन्योर कम्युनिटी, which is very important for you to understand, because अगर आप if you have a community of people helping you out, and if you mark me, we'll be the first people to answer you online irrespective. And like I said, if you have any other queries, more than happy to add value to you. And yeah, most importantly, why are we doing this? Like I was telling you, कि ये करने का objective क्या है, that I'm on a mission to create 100,000 self-employed professionals in the food services industry. I want to impact 1 lakh self-employed professionals in the food services industry. And when I say that, I'm very clear about that, and that's why we are not looking at the cost, but we are looking at only providing value. So hope this gives you a good insight. And yeah, that's pretty much about it. A quick bit about me. I started my first business. I come from the food capital of India, that's Delhi. Started my first business, which was a cloud kitchen, sold that off to a private investor. Happened to run a company called Night Gourmet Services, which is one of India's largest event hospitality companies. We work for IPL, ISLs, Pro Kabaddis. You name the B2C leads, we've done all of that. What makes me do this session is that I'm a strategic investor to multiple cloud kitchens, and I make personal investments. So that's the leverage how I know about the business. I'm a leading food expert. I keep writing on a lot of these news portals. What I mentioned here, And otherwise, during the pandemic, we happened to write a book called Catering Your Way to Financial Independence, which became a national bestseller, which has been read by 5,000 people in the last 4 months, pretty much. And we've started a new venture called TKG Ventures, which is pretty much incubating a lot of budding food entrepreneurs uh, in on multiple concepts. So yeah, that's pretty much about me. And lastly, I wanted to just share that people who are very serious about this particular business. Now, this is something which I don't typically share, but why I'm trying to share this with you is that we are always trying to funnel and touch base with good startups. We give you automatic access to a Cloud Kitchen Accelerator Fund, which we are, which we have the best of the best minds in place with. Like I said, we are trying to funnel the right kind of people, and I hope that I'm able to find the right people, what I'm looking for. Like I said, if you're serious about this business, please do reach out to us. It's only applicable for revenue stage startups. So आपको कोई भी query होए, just reach out to us. Like I said, we are keeping this as a screening tool for knowing the best people in the industry. So yeah, I mean, hope that answers all your queries. And with that, I would just look forward to seeing you at the Cloud Kitchen WhatsApp challenge. I hope in the next 5 days you get immense value, which can not only help you make money and live a hassle-free life, but you also build an authority for yourself, which is absolutely critical in nowadays time. It's a mix always of your personal brand, which is combined with your business. And I hope that you're able to achieve all these objectives through this particular challenge. So see you on the other side, guys. Take care. See you.